In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PowerPoint presentation to Canva, a popular design tool that allows you to create stunning visuals with ease. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step so you can start customizing your presentations in no time. Let's get started by navigating to your Canva dashboard. You can access Canva by visiting their website and logging into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a user-friendly interface filled with various design templates and options. What you need to do next is focus on the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll find the option labeled Upload. Clicking on Upload will open up a new window specifically designed for importing files into Canva. In the window that appears, you'll see options to upload either individual files or entire folders. This is particularly useful if you have multiple presentations or images you want to upload at once. For today's tutorial, we're focusing on uploading a single PowerPoint file, so go ahead and click on Upload Files. This will open your computer's File Explorer, giving you the ability to browse your files and locate the PowerPoint presentation you want to upload. Once you've found it, select the file. This is where you might notice a brief uploading process, which usually doesn't take long. Canva supports PPT and PPTX formats, so you don't have to worry about converting your file beforehand. After the upload is complete, you'll see your file appear in Canva's upload area. The next step is crucial for accessing your presentation within Canva's design environment. Simply click on the file you've just uploaded. This action will open your PowerPoint presentation inside Canva, as Canva automatically converts it into an editable format. You'll be taken to an interface that resembles a slide deck, where you can see each slide of your presentation displayed separately. Now you're ready to start editing. Canva provides a range of tools that you can use to enhance your presentation, from adding text and images to incorporating graphics and animations. Feel free to explore these options to customize the slides to your liking. To summarize, uploading a PowerPoint to Canva is as simple as navigating to your dashboard, selecting the Upload option, uploading your file, and then clicking on the file to edit your slides. This process opens up an array of possibilities for creativity and customization, making your presentations more engaging and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to experiment with Canva's extensive design features to take your presentation to the next level.